There's a new messaging app that just launched. It's called LinxApp Messenger. It's available on Apple and Google Play stores. They recently reached out to me and asked if I would do a review on their app. And of course, I said, yeah, I mean, why wouldn't I? Because it's Apps That Rule channel, right? And I just love phone apps and reviewing them and giving my opinion, my honest opinion on the apps. So I figured, why not jump in together with you guys and let's check out this new messaging app and see what it's all about. All right, so we're gonna go into the actual app store here on my iPhone, and I really like to do this because it kind of gives me a preview of what the app's all about. And what I really liked about this app already is that in the description it says why LinxApp. They kind of give you a reason why, or reasons why you should download LinxApp and use it. And the second bullet, as you can see, says LinxApp is secure. All right, you already caught me on that. You got me sold. And they basically say that at LinxApp, they believe privacy shouldn't be an option, it should be a necessity. Basically, they don't read your messages, they don't use them for business. All this stuff that's been going on with the other messenger apps is out the door when it comes to LinxApp. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump into the LinxApp. What you wanna do is do your initial setup where they just ask you for your phone number or your email address, your birth date, and then your name, and then you could select your avatar picture that you want to use. And in this case, this is mine, and this is where your profile or your groups are. Everything is kind of grouped together for you to use. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with inviting friends because, well, we have nobody to talk to, right? If you're brand new on this app. So all you want to do is go into your profile area where your avatar is in the top right, and then you're going to scroll down, you're going to see the people category, and then you want to select invite friends. That's just basically going to give access to your contacts that are currently in your phone, and then it's going to send a text message out to those people that you select with a link that'll take them to the LinxApp Messenger, and then they download it, and then they could send you a message. You can find each other through the LinxApp. And as you see back on the home screen, I've done just that with my buddies Jay Littman and Michael Panetta, aka Tech Examined. I'm going to leave a link in the description to their channels. Go check them out at some point. And what we're going to do is we're going to jump in, and I'm just going to kind of show you what the messaging area looks like. As you can see, Jay and I have been kind of sending gifts back and forth to each other because that's, you know, what we do to spend our time. Not really, but speaking of GIFs, it's really cool. They have Giphy implemented into this. So you could go at the bottom and you'll see the little GIF logo. You'll see the little emoji with the smiley face looking thing, a camera, and then a paper clip. So we'll go through each of these. Obviously, in the GIF area, you can search for GIFs. You can see your recently used ones with this little clock. You can go in and see what's trending, and then they'll give you different categories like happy, fun, thumbs up. And then moving on, we'll go into the emojis. You'll get your little smiley face emojis. They're animated, which is kind of cool. Now, next you can go into the camera, and once you're into the camera, you can see that you have little filters that you can put over your face. And like this glasses one, there's a bobblehead one in here too somewhere. I don't know. Remember where I saw it exact. Oh, here we go. I like the bobblehead one because your head kind of keeps moving around once you move your head. I don't know. I'm just easily amused. But what you could do is you can actually hold down the button and it will send it as a video, or you can just simply press the button and it'll send it as a text. So in this case, I'm going to send a video. I'm going to bobble my head around and send this to Jay so he can see. And voila, there you go. Once you record it, it'll send it off into the message. Then Jay could see that if he wants to. So moving back up on the screen, you could see you could do quick replies. So on the right hand side, you're going to see this little arrow. You want to press and hold that in. It's going to bring up a quick reply emoji that you can give a thumbs up or whatever that you would like in this case. So that's pretty cool little feature. Now moving on, you can also send audio messages to each other. So you have the little microphone down here at the bottom right hand corner, but you also want to make sure you hold to record and then release to send. But we are going to move on because we were talking about audio. As you see at the top, there's a little phone and there's a camera. When you click on that, right now you cannot do anything. They're working on it behind the scenes, but you'll be able to make audio calls to your friends. and you'll be able to make video calls. Moving on to the 3 dots, you can bring that up. That's going to bring up their profile, and then you can create a group with that person. You can set up themes, which I really like. You can go in and you'll see different LinxApp themes. You can also go to My Themes and create a custom theme if you wish. Now, the next thing I wanted to talk about is go back into your profile and you can go into New Group and create a group. In this case, I only have 2 people on my contacts, but you can select them. I did this prior to recording this video so you can see homies. But what you want to do is you want to go in and you want to select New Group. You can select who you want to be in the group. Then you're going to hit the arrow. You can name the group. That's how I named the last one, homies. And then basically it's going to look like this. So you can go in, you can change the theme, you could send messages to everybody. But I guess I could say overall, LinxApp Messenger is a great messaging app. I really like the fact that you could change the themes in the background, but I also really like the fact that you can do the group messaging together as a group there. And it'd be really cool when they add the video and audio feature. I hope they do that with groups as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below if you plan on using the LinxApp Messenger and what your overall thoughts were on the app. And then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Watch this video for more app reviews. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.